It's wonderful waking up in a city, a big city that's quiet and full of snow. It's fantastic. It's very exhilarating. The atmosphere is wonderful. The statues with snow look beautiful.
This is very good. I learned to wax my skis in Norway, and this is right around freezing, and it's new snow. So it's when it snows in New York, the snow is usually good for skiing.
Yeah, because
it's just cold enough. It's right around freezing.
It won't be in 2 days. It'll all be crusty and yucky.
Tomorrow it'll be slush.